Number 1. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $23,500. This classic American beauty is located in Indianapolis, Indiana, and comes in a striking red color, perfect for turning heads. With only 39,200 miles on the odometer, it's clear this car has been lovingly preserved over the decades. Under the hood, you'll find the original 292 cubic inch V8 engine, recently rebuilt to ensure smooth and reliable performance. It's also been upgraded with new brakes, a fresh exhaust system, and a conversion to a 12-volt electrical system, making it safer and more compatible with modern needs. The seller describes this Thunderbird as looking good and driving just as well, a great find for any collector or classic car enthusiast. Number 2. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, priced at $18,000. This classic American muscle car is located in Annandale, Illinois, and is a real gem for car enthusiasts. Finished in a striking burgundy color, this fully restored beauty has 88,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, you'll find a powerhouse, a 454 cubic inch V8 engine that's been bored 60 over, boosting its displacement and performance. The car features a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission with a 3,000 stall torque-out converter, perfect for those who enjoy high-power driving or even drag racing. It's equipped with a mother thumper camshaft, delivering enhanced performance and a bold, aggressive exhaust note. For added thrill, the 12-bolt rear end packs 456 gears, giving you incredible torque and acceleration, though it trades off a bit of fuel efficiency and top speed. The body is in excellent condition with straight panels and meticulous restoration work that brings it back to its prime. If you're a muscle car lover searching for a head-turning, high-performance ride, this Monte Carlo SS is ready to impress. Number 3. The 1965 Buick Gran Sport, priced at $14,500. This classic American muscle car is located in Maynardville, Tennessee, and comes in a clean white finish. It's described as very nice, meaning it's in solid condition and ready to hit the road. It's reliable enough to drive anywhere. Under the hood, it's likely powered by a 355 cubic inch engine paired with a 400 transmission, offering plenty of performance. The car features disc brakes on all 4 wheels, a valuable safety upgrade, and rides on nice wheels with brand new tires. Inside, the interior is in excellent shape, adding to its appeal. The paint is of driver quality, perfect for everyday use, though it might not meet show car standards. The seller is open to trade offers but isn't interested in boats or motorcycles. If you're in the market for a dependable, stylish, and fun-to-drive classic, this might just be the one for you. Number 4. The 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe, priced at $19,500. This classic mid-sized car, produced by Ford during the 1960s, is located in Ozark, Missouri. It features a sleek black exterior and retains its original 289 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a C4 automatic transmission, a valuable detail for collectors. The brakes include power front disc brakes for modern stopping power and rear drum brakes, typical of its era. The car sits on new wheels and tires, adding a fresh touch to its vintage charm. Described as a super solid older restoration, it remains in good structural and operational condition. The interior is in nice shape, though it does need a new package tray. The paint is driver quality, meaning it looks good for casual use, though blemishes are noticeable up close. The stainless trim is in good shape, while the bumpers show only fair condition with some signs of wear. This Fairlane drives well and is perfect for enjoying weekend cruises or casual outings. It's not a show car, but an enjoyable piece of automotive history ready for the road. The seller is firm about not considering trades. Number 5. The 1971 Buick Skylark convertible, priced at $20,000. This classic car is located in Bolingbrook, Illinois, and is finished in a stylish silver color. It remains in original condition, with the exception of a few minor updates. The convertible top works perfectly, going up and down automatically, although the cover for the top is worn and will need to be replaced. The car's floor has been redone with new carpet and is solid with no holes, though it isn't in perfect showroom-fresh condition. Under the hood, the car features a 350 cubic inch, two-barrel Buick motor that runs smoothly, but it would benefit from an upgrade to a high-energy ignition distributor for improved performance. While the brakes are functional, there is a leak in the brake booster cylinder. Despite this, the owner drove the car throughout the summer, topping up the brake fluid once a month. The car continues to be drivable and always attracts attention with its head-turning appeal, earning compliments wherever it goes. Inside, it has a column-mounted shifter, and the bucket seats were installed after the new carpet was added. The original bench seat, which still needs reupholstering, will be included with the sale. The owner, though fond of the car, is selling it to focus on another project. Number 6. The 1963 Pontiac LeMans, priced at $16,500. This classic American muscle car is located in Annandale, Minnesota, and features a beautiful Kimberly blue color. With 99,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs with its original 326 cubic inch engine, paired with an automatic transmission for easy driving. The car also comes with power steering, making it effortless to handle. Inside, you'll find comfortable bucket seats and all-new carpet, while the exterior boasts outstanding paint and original T3 headlights, highly sought after by collectors. Additionally, it comes with the original owner's manual and a protective plate with the vehicle's VIN. The seller is open to trades, so if you have another car or item to offer, they're willing to consider it. Number 7. The 1972 Mercury Comet GT, priced at $12,500. This classic American muscle car from the early 70s stands out with its bold yellow paint and original factory GT features, including a 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It's in running condition and described as a solid driver, great for cruising but not fully restored. The car has some character-building quirks, like a small hole in the passenger floor and some rust in the trunk pan, making it a fantastic project for a vintage car enthusiast. The front end has already been rebuilt, and it comes with centerline performance wheels, new carpet ready to install, and new rear brake parts that need to be fitted. This Comet is located in Newburg, Missouri, and the seller is open to trades for other old cars or trucks, making it a flexible deal for the right buyer. Number 8. The 1975 Plymouth Duster, priced at $18,500. This classic American muscle car is located in Muncie, Indiana, and comes in a striking yellow color. With 71,000 miles on the odometer, it boasts a powerful 1970 340 cubic inch engine, borrowed from an earlier model, paired with a 727 automatic transmission and a 2500 stall converter for enhanced acceleration. Its 8 3/4 inch rear axle is equipped with a 3.91 sure grip differential, ensuring even power distribution to both rear wheels. The Duster has several performance upgrades, including a Crane camshaft and rockers, an Edelbrock intake manifold, and a Holley carburetor for improved engine output. Handling and exhaust performance get a boost from a Borgeson quick ratio power steering box, Hooker ceramic headers, and a new exhaust system fitted with Flowmaster mufflers. It rides on Mickey Thompson 275/6015 street slicks at the rear and classic 205/7014 Goodrich TA tires at the front. Described as fun to drive, this car is perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate the charm and power of vintage muscle cars. The seller emphasizes that no trades are accepted and only cash offers will be considered. Number 9. The 1969 Dodge Coronet 440, priced at $7,000. This classic American car, located in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin, is a charming piece of late 1960s Dodge engineering. Finished in blue, it features a 318 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 44,500 miles on the odometer, it has seen relatively light use for its age, assuming the reading is accurate. The car is in running condition and ready to drive, though some accessories aren't functional. Rust is minimal, with the most significant concern being holes in the front driver and passenger floorboards, which may need repair. On the bright side, the car comes with extra parts to support further restoration. Recent maintenance includes newer tires and a new battery installed in 2024, making it more reliable. If you're looking for a restoration project or simply a piece of American automotive history to enjoy, this Coronet 440 is a solid candidate. The seller is open to offers, so don't hesitate to reach out. Number 10. The 1976 Chevrolet Impala Landau, priced at $7,600. This classic silver car, located in Monroe Falls, Ohio, has 80,000 miles on the odometer and is a one-owner vehicle, originally purchased in 1976. The seller has kept complete service history records, including the original bill of sale and title, which provide full documentation of the car's ownership and history. The Impala runs, shifts, and starts just as smoothly as it did when it was first made. While the air conditioning is not working due to recent Freon regulations, meaning it would need new parts or a recharge with a different type of coolant, everything else is in great shape. The passenger side door lock key is not operational, but you can still lock and unlock the door from the inside. This is a fantastic opportunity to own a well-maintained classic car with a rich history.